Hello friends. So today we are going to learn how to create a drop-down list in Excel. Let's go to the Excel workbook and see the examples. Okay, as usual, we have the list of country and the capital city, currency name and currency symbol and ISO code. Now I have the separate header column country, currency name and currency symbols. So we are going to create the drop-down list for the country, currency name and currency symbol. For that, go to the data tab and select the under the data ribbon, select the data tools and just click on the data validations icon. Go to the settings. So make sure the validation criteria should be list. So I have selected the list as my validation criteria. So in the source, just select the data which you want the drop down list. So here I need the list of countries. So I have selected the entire. Okay, range, click on OK. Now go to the top and see, you can see the drop down list for all the countries. Here you need to select. So I'm going to select Poland. Okay. Okay. Hope you all understood how to create the data validation tools. So, so with that, I'm just creating the um formula which will be picking up the value based on the country. Let's apply the VLOOKUP function. So my currency. So let me fix the range. Press F4. Range is fixed, and my currency name under is in the third column. So I want the exact match. Just press 0 to get the exact match and close the bracket. Press enter. Get the local currency of the Poland. Same. So I'm going to the same formula. So I'm going to apply the same formula in the currency symbol as well. Just copy the same formula and just change the index number which is there in the column 4. I'm making to the center. Now I'm going to select Russia. So it is automatically picked up the currency Russia. Currency of Russia is Russian ruble. Symbol it's showing 0. Let's select the other. South Africa. So it's South African rand R. Let's pick it up. Tanzania. Tanzanian shilling, and the symbol is SH. Hope you all understood this, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.